You guys see that? Dab, dab, wipe, done? Easy? None of this fumbling around, opening up the container, dabbing your cloth, splitting your cloth apart and getting your fiber in there and making a mess? No, this thing right here does it easily. Thanks for watching. Welcome back to Jason's Lab, and we're going to unbox this and, well, I just showed you how it worked, but I'm going to unbox this and show you guys what you get in the kit when you buy it. One of these, a box with all the parts inside of it, and I'm not too sure, but I'll put a little blurb down below if these extra wipes come with it or not. This came from Germany. It's way over there on the other side of the world, and I'm in Canada, so I'm not too sure if he just sent me some extra pieces so that way I had it over here, but we have it in the video, so I'm going to show you that I have it. 2 packs of wipes, and inside we get Ziploc 25 pieces. Oh, Ziploc, so you don't get any dirt and debris inside the bag. Pretty sweet. So he sent me 50 pieces of little cloths that go in our little tool here. I found that really clever that on the side of his box here, not only does he have a QR code for the instructions in different languages, and I had to look at them because I was like, hey, there's no English, but they're there. I saw them and I looked at them. But he's got 2 other QR codes, one for Instagram and one for YouTube. You guys should go and have a check out at his website. Link will be below. But before you do that, like and subscribe mine too. All right, let's have a look and see what's inside the box here. Move these off to the side. I haven't opened mine yet, but let's see what we get. Oh yeah, it's a nice case. Oh, so he sent me an extra one of these. Well, that's pretty sweet. Okay, so we get, oh, it's packed in there good. Oh yes. On the website, it shows that it has a piece of foam that this can sit in, but I'm pretty sure that's tucked in there tight because I can't pull this out yet. Okay, well, wow, this is really good. This is really good detailed packaging. Okay, instructions. So if you don't scan the QR code, oh, instructions manual. Let's see here. I cannot read this because I don't have my glasses on them because the print is small, so I'll probably have to use my iPad. That's awesome that it's included. Okay, so we got instructions. Do we have 2 things of instructions? What do we got? That's fair. Maybe warranty information and stuff like that? I don't think I need to go over any of that because the first page is in, I don't know, I can't see it. Too small of content, but that's fine. Okay. To use the pump bottle, these are valuable instructions and it comes in different languages, okay. To use the pump bottle outside the storage box and prevent evaporation of spillage. What are we trying to say here? Pull the foam ring off the container, insert the lid supplied into the slot. Oh, I see, okay. So this, oh yeah, and the foam piece is down below there. Yeah, that's pretty sweet, I like that. So we'll take the foam piece off, he says. Okay. And this looks like it slides on here. Oh, okay. It just clips on there like that. Like a little, oh, cool. But if you're not using it, we could take it off and it looks like, oh, yes. The piece is in there. Oh, yeah. Oh, and it's even pre-built, so I don't even have to read the instructions to use it yet? Oh, yeah. I mean, that's key right there. So this guy goes on here like this. And then what we do is we put alcohol in here. And when you're fiber cleaning, you just go like this and you go squeeze, squeeze, and put your fiber in there and pull. Like, who would have thought of a product that looks so simple that would be so effective? I don't know. Oh, and it comes with extra cloths in here too. So, the instructions show that we could take this piece of foam out. Maybe not. Oh yeah, we can. It comes out. Look at that. Look at that. The presentation of this is amazing. I like that. Makes it so you can't tip it over and stuff. What else do we got? What's the, oh, I see. We could take this piece and put it right here, on here. Like that, if we're not using it, because we can put our cup on here. Oh, man. They really did think of everything with this kit. Look at that. Look at the presentation on that. That is just perfect. I like how easy it is too. Now, I'm not going to take these off, But what I am going to do is tell everybody that this should be in your networking kit when you're doing fiber and stuff like that. And I think it's going to go in my kit now too. I'm going to probably get rid of the bottle that I have where it's got the little pump on the top and all the little pieces and stuff that, you know, I've dumped this over once or twice and made a mess all over my desk. But this is definitely going in my fiber kit. And the presentation, holy. So I'm going to put a link down below for you guys to see this thing. And then in a couple more videos, yes, there's more coming up here pretty quick. Yep, stay tuned. There's more coming. I'm going to show this being used in videos. Yes. I mean, that is just amazing. Who would have thunk? Huh. Okay, well, like, subscribe if you have any questions. This thing's pretty sweet. And the presentation of what you get when you buy this is just top notch. It also feels like good material. It doesn't feel, this is gonna last. I can tell, I can feel it. Just, you know, when you find a tool and you click on something, it feels good. It does feel good. Like and subscribe. Hopefully you liked the video. If you have any questions, links down below. And thank you for WoWa sending me this awesome little tool. It's gonna come in handy. And talk to you guys later.